Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get MoneyGram promo codes. The first and easiest method is joining MoneyGram Plus Rewards. This is MoneyGram's loyalty program, and it is completely free to join. Once you create your account and enroll in Plus Rewards, you can start receiving discounts on transfer fees. In many cases, users can get up to 40% off transfer fees. Members also get faster transactions and special rewards after completing a certain number of sends. To join, open the MoneyGram app or website, sign into your account, and look for the Plus Rewards section during setup. Another good way to get promo codes is through the Refer a Friend program. Inside the MoneyGram app, you will find your personal referral link. You can share this link with friends or family. When someone signs up using your link and completes a qualifying transfer, both of you usually receive a zero-fee transfer reward and also a $20 reward. If you are a new user, you should also watch for first-time account offers. MoneyGram often gives new customers a sign-up bonus. A common example is 20% off the transaction fee on your second transfer. After creating a new account, if you complete 5 money transfers, you can unlock larger discounts, often around 40% off transfer fees. One more thing. Some people search for MoneyGram promo codes on third-party coupon websites. I personally do not recommend this because many of those websites are outdated, misleading, or straight-up frauds. It is always safer to use promotions directly from the MoneyGram app or official emails. Thanks for watching.